Hello YouTube viewers. We have recently created a channel and the name of the channel is DDS Vlogs. Now this channel is renamed. Before it was White Moon 2020, then it was Day Citizens Rangolis, and now it is DDS Vlogs. Now we usually post videos on entertainment such as rangolis, designs, and education also, and cooking. Yeah, of course, cooking. So in order to see more videos like this, you have to click the like. Please like our videos, share it, and also click subscribe. Subscribe is the most important thing, and do not forget to click the notification bell to get more updates that when we post the videos or anything else. So thank you.